Assalamualaikum. Hannah, Sophie, I've just finished marking your test currently and I noticed you did something wrong with the spelling on confusing words. Can you please come and see me? I show you the errors?
Yes.
Okay, let us go. The words are besides and beside. Okay, what is besides? Okay, besides is a preposition that means in addition to or apart from. It can also serve as an adverb that means furthermore or another thing. Well, beside, okay, beside is a preposition that means close to or next to. Okay, I want to test both of you. Let us have a look at question number 1. Okay, Hannah, try question number 1. She can speak 3 languages dash Spanish. What is your answer, Hannah?
My answer is besides.
Besides. Okay, let us check. Besides. Yes, correct. Besides Spanish. Alright. Next, we go to number 2. Sophie, can you please try number 2?
The answer is besides.
Beside. Okay, let us check. I was quite nervous when a lorry drew up beside me like hurricane. Very good, Sophie. Now we go to number 3. Ready? Hannah.
Yes.
Okay. Can you give me the answer for number 3? I dislike fishing dash I don't own a boat. What is your answer?
My answer is besides.
Besides. Alright. Let us check. Very good. Correct. I dislike fishing. Besides, I don't own a boat. Okay. Can we go to the next question?
Yes.
Okay. Who's turn? Sophie.
The answer is beside.
Beside. Okay, let us check. Never mind. I admire that girl who is standing beside the rostrum. She shows as a talented speaker. Very good. I believe both of you can understand the differences between besides and beside. Okay, now I want to show you the other confusing words like already, eat, okay, eat, and number 8, allowed, okay, the sound, allow, I allow you, give permission, peace, okay, the size, peace, hear, that means you listen, here, come here, okay, and if there is any problem after this, I'll consult you again, okay, that's all, thank you.